In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your template step by step. Hi, I'm Vic from Henia and Frank. If you're struggling with how to edit your template, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can easily modify the template. Even though this tutorial shows editing stickers, the same process still apply if you are editing invitations. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when editing the template is to click on the template link sent to your email. It will bring you to a screen where you have to click on Use Template for New Design. Rename your file. Generally, the template will include two elements. One, the wording, and two, graphics and background color. Let's start by editing the wording. Double right-click on the wording, then type your text. Located at the top is the editing bar where you can change the font, size, color, alignment, spacing, transparency. You could even apply text effects as desired. The position prompt will let you adjust which texts appear on top of other images or texts. All elements in the sticker, including wording and graphics, can be moved, rotated, or resized. Now that you know how to edit the wording, it's time for step 2. How to edit the graphics and background color. Watch the next video to find out.